When it comes to extending our lives and ensuring the healthiest possible future, the choices we make in the kitchen can be just as important as those we make in the gym or the doctor's office. Recent scientific studies have brought new clarity to how certain foods can actively promote longevity, helping us to not only live longer, but also thrive as we age. Today, let's explore 5 powerful foods that have been shown by the latest research to play a significant role in increasing lifespan and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. These aren't miracle cures or magic bullets, but they are backed by real science, and when incorporated into a balanced lifestyle, they can make a meaningful difference. Coffee, often associated with morning routines and bustling cafes, is now proving itself to be much more than just a pick-me-up. A landmark study published in the European Journal of Preventive Cardiology in 2024 analyzed data from an impressive 450,000 individuals over more than a decade. The findings were striking. Consuming 2 to 3 cups of coffee daily was associated with a lower risk of early death and a significant reduction in cardiovascular disease. What's behind coffee's protective effects? Scientists point to its high concentration of polyphenols, natural antioxidants that help to reduce inflammation and protect blood vessels. Caffeine, too, plays a role, improving metabolism and supporting heart health. But it's not just about the caffeine. Both regular and decaf varieties showed benefits, suggesting that these plant compounds are the real heroes. While moderation is key, too much caffeine can lead to jitteriness or sleep disruption. Enjoying a couple of cups each day can be one of the simplest and most enjoyable ways to support your long-term health. Green tea offers another compelling case for longevity, with its rich history in Asian cultures now supported by cutting-edge science. A major 2022 study involving participants from China, Japan, Korea, and Singapore revealed that drinking at least 5 cups of green tea per day was linked to a reduced risk of mortality from all causes except cancer. The effect was especially pronounced for cardiovascular disease, the world's leading cause of death. What makes green tea so potent? Its high levels of catechins, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, may reduce cholesterol, lower blood pressure, and improve the flexibility of blood vessels. Green tea is also a gentle stimulant, providing a modest boost without the intensity of coffee. The ritual of preparing and sipping green tea can become a mindful moment that nurtures your body and spirit. If 5 cups a day seems daunting, remember that even smaller amounts can confer benefits, and you can build up gradually as you integrate this ancient beverage into your routine. Among fruits, pomegranates stand out as a modern superfood with ancient roots. Their jewel-like seeds are bursting with ellagic acid, a compound that, when metabolized by gut bacteria, forms urolithin A. This remarkable molecule has recently come under the scientific spotlight for its ability to enhance mitochondrial function, the very engines of our cells. Studies on fruit flies and roundworms have demonstrated lifespan extension with urolithin A supplementation, and human research is beginning to confirm these results. In 2022, older adults who took 1,000 milligrams of urolithin A daily for 4 months showed significant improvements in muscle endurance, a key factor in healthy aging. While supplements are available, incorporating pomegranates into your diet gives you the added benefit of fiber, vitamin C, and D, and other powerful antioxidants. Whether enjoyed fresh, as juice, or sprinkled over salads, pomegranates offer a delicious and evidence-backed boost for your longevity. Leafy greens, long celebrated for their dense nutritional profile, are now being recognized for even more specific longevity benefits. Arugula, spinach, and kale are loaded with essential vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals. But recent research has singled out arugula for its particularly potent effects. Arugula contains irucin, a compound with strong anti-inflammatory properties, and is one of the richest dietary sources of nitrates. These nitrates have been shown to improve cardiovascular health by supporting the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that dilates blood vessels, lowers blood pressure, and improves circulation. Regularly consuming leafy greens especially arugula, can help protect your heart and keep inflammation in check, two critical pillars of a long and healthy life. Try adding a handful of arugula to your salads, sandwiches, or pasta dishes for a peppery kick that's as good for you as it is delicious. Finally, let's talk about nuts. While not highlighted in every study, nuts have consistently appeared in research on longevity and health span. A handful of walnuts, almonds, or pistachios provides healthy fats, plant protein, and a wealth of micronutrients. Nuts are rich in arginine, which helps improve blood flow, and their antioxidant content helps counter oxidative stress, a key factor in aging. Regular nut consumption has been linked to lower rates of heart disease, improved cholesterol profiles, and even reduced risk of certain cancers. The key is moderation. A small serving each day, rather than large amounts, will deliver the benefits without adding excess calories. Nuts are a versatile snack, easily added to oatmeal, yogurt, salads, or enjoyed on their own. While these 5 foods, coffee, green tea, pomegranates, leafy greens, especially arugula, and nuts, stand out for their scientifically supported effects on longevity, it's essential to remember that no single food is a magic bullet. The most powerful approach is to combine these choices with other healthy habits. Regular physical activity, maintaining a healthy weight, and avoiding smoking are all proven strategies for extending lifespan. But integrating these foods into your daily routine can tip the scales in your favor, offering both protection and pleasure. Consider starting your day with a cup of coffee, savoring its rich aroma and the knowledge that you're supporting your heart. Mid-morning, switch to green tea, allowing its gentle energy and subtle flavors to refresh and rejuvenate. At lunch, toss arugula into your salad, knowing its nitrates and phytochemicals are working quietly to keep your blood vessels healthy. For dessert or a snack, reach for fresh pomegranate seeds or add them to yogurt for a burst of color and nutrition. And throughout the day, enjoy a handful of mixed nuts, fueling your body with healthy fats and antioxidants. Science is continually revealing new secrets about the link between diet and longevity, but these 5 foods are among the most promising and accessible. They're not exotic or hard to find. They're foods you can enjoy every day, woven into the rhythms of your life. As you embrace these choices, remember that your journey toward a longer, healthier life is built one meal, one bite, and one habit at a time. The path to longevity is not about deprivation. It's about celebration, nourishment, and making every year ahead your healthiest yet.